Let me show you a very practical real-life application for a geometric series. Roman Sukuna was reincarnated when Yuji Itadori consumed one of his fingers and gained a substantial amount of cursed energy. Each of Sukuna's fingers increases his total cursed energy by 70% of the previous increase. If the first finger increased his cursed energy by 1,000 units, and Sukuna can only use his domain with 80% of his maximum cursed energy, how much cursed energy is gained after consuming 10 fingers? What is the maximum cursed energy that Sukuna could cultivate if theoretically infinite fingers existed? And how many fingers does he need to activate his domain? We can set this up as a geometric series where the first term is 1,000 units according to the question. If each power increase is 70% of the previous one, our common ratio is 0.7, so we can write our general term for the nth term in the series. We can then find the sum of the sequence and input that 10 fingers have been consumed to find the total amount of cursed energy after consumption. We can then determine that there is a limiting sum to our geometric series, as our common ratio is less than 1, and we can use our limiting sum formula to find out how much cursed energy is theoretically possible if infinite fingers existed. Now that we've found the maximum amount of cursed energy possible, we can find our threshold value for Sukuna being able to use his domain by multiplying the maximum by 80%. We can then equate this with our sum formula we got in part A and find the total amount of fingers needed for Sukuna to use his domain.